What's the e-visa of the UK? Who can get the new e-visa of the UK? From which date will it be implemented? And will it replace any of the previously implemented UK visas? I will let you know in this video all of this information one by one. First of all, starting from 1st of January 2025, the UK visa holders will have to have an e-visa instead of another visa in the form of a physical document. Till December 2024, anyone moving in and out from the UK should have a physical document in the form of a visa such as BRP, BRC or any other vignette visa stickers on the passports. But starting from the next year, these old people must also hold the new e-visa that is available online through the website of the UK VI to show the immigration officer in order to enter and leave the UK. The e-visa is an online visa status that is shown on your personal account created through UK VI website. The old account that you used once for your visa application can also be used to apply for the e-visa status. What are the benefits of the e-visa? First of all, it creates a faster way at the airports to enter and leave the UK. Furthermore, you can share your online status through a code if you want to get a new job to your employer, or renting a property, or claiming benefits, or for many other online uses of many government services. Over the past few months, the UK government has been trying to involve many people who hold a UK visa in the country to switch to this e-visa. Until now, many of people have availed this status already. This visa is not totally a new type of visa, as already through the EU settlement scheme, millions of EU nationals have already had access to this online visa status. So, which visa statuses will be affected through the e-visa? It means which visa holders should apply for an e-visa. First of all, the holders of BRC, biometric residence cards. Secondly, the holders of BRP, the holders of biometric residence permits. Furthermore, passport endorsements such as indefinite leave to enter, wet ink stamps, and vignette stickers in passports such as entry clearance or visa vignette. Though the holders of these visa holders can still carry the physical documents in the form of the cards or the visa stamps on their passports till the end of 2024, but surely starting from the new year, they must have an e-visa status. How to get e-visa status available? Well, you can apply for the e-visa online through your UK VI account that you created once. If you don't have access to this account now, you can also create a new account using your biometric residence permit or your ID and passport. This is easy. Once you apply through it, you can submit your personal details, and after a while, maybe it takes 1 week or 10 days, or in some cases 3 to 4 weeks, your online e-visa status will be available online. If UK VI finds any type of differences with the details you provide to them and already attained details from you when you applied for the visa, you will be contacted by them accordingly. So, gaining an e-visa status online, you don't have to pay any type of extra fee. Is free of course. Furthermore, if you have recently completed the naturalization process and hold the British nationality or the Irish passport, then you don't have to apply for the UK e-visa. What are your thoughts about this new e-visa program of the UK? In your thoughts, will it be successful in terms of replacing it with the physical documents that used to be issued to the immigrants in the form of BRC and BRPs? Will it save the time of the UK, and will it be more safer way to carry your visa and personal information online in your mobile? Share your thoughts in the comment box. I will see you next time with another news about immigration from around the world. Till next time, bye bye.